So to manage the weather and the tire change, I've been staying in a hostel for a couple of nights. So I'm starting this morning with a tire change. Hopefully it's gonna be everything good. I found the unofficial service because I don't want to happen what happened last time I changed the tire. Middle of the Pyrenees, I got a flat tire. I want to change the tires. Look what happened while I was going. Can you believe this? Just fell down while I was going. Nothing happened, but really unbelievable. And I confide in you. Oh, stasera ancora il microfono. Aspetta, non so, ora me voglio. Esta aquí. I've got my new tire. Yes. I'm getting out of the city already with my new tires. Ya tengo hambre. Finally, little bit of peace. I actually threw myself out of the main road by mistake, but actually was the best mistake ever because I found a fountain and also a little park of sculptures here on the side. And I guess it's still part of the Camino de Santiago or something. Look at these sculptures. They are made or at least covered with stones, others carved. Look at this one. So beautiful. It's blowing a kiss to someone. This one is a siren. Then a holy shepherd with the cows and an angel on the back. It's incredible. The worker. And then there are these constructions are very, very typical of Galicia, also not Portugal, a little bit of Asturias. This looks like a boxer. Didn't notice. There is like a man sustaining an arch. The new gloves. It's raining a little bit, so I bought rainproof gloves. It's for the weather. Para derecha, izquierda. Venga, que no hay muy ahí. I have a blue sky in front of me, but I have been followed by the clouds. I am just very hungry. Por CALDAS de Rey va bien por aquí.
¿Para CALDAS?
Sí.
Sí, sal por aquí para abajo.
A la izquierda.
Y vas ya a la
Y ya estoy ahí. Ah, muchas gracias.
Sí, por ahí.
Sí, sí.
Y ten cuidado que te sales a la
Carretera principal. Gracias. CALDAS de REIS is known for having hot spring right in the middle of the city. There is kind of fountain and a little pool where a lot of pilgrims stop by and restore their feet. So I wanted to go there, but there was too much traffic. I decided to keep going. I was very, very hungry. I just turned, came here. Very nice places on the side of the main road. As a matter of fact, the place is really, really quiet. It's not far from the main road, but it's far enough to be quiet and in the nature. Iglesia de Santa Maria de Sansa, nice church from the 13th century, and it's Romanic style. Other side. So I'm walking right outside. Very nice, very nice. There is a cemetery on the side. This is it. Here in Galicia, in the cemetery, they have roofs on the top, crosses, and it's very, very typical. They are all like this. Some of them look older, crosses look a little bit newer. I saw some older than this. It's sunny right now, but still there are some threatening clouds here around. It's very, very changeable. You can manage to avoid the rain, or you can manage to take it all. It depends where you're going. Now I'm eating something and then I will go on. When I was in the hostel reception, I noticed a photo that I liked with the tower, the side of the river. It looked really beautiful and I asked for it. They told me there were these Viking towers and there was also an event, I don't know when it took place, but it reproduced the arrival of the Vikings. Just read in the panel, tower, they are previous to the Roman period. After became a port used by the Romans. It's a beautiful area, but of course has been ruined by this bridge. You saw they built the road right over the park. It ruins the ruins. Look. But anyway, here there is like an entrance, and this was the wall. Maybe I can walk over the wall. There is no path. I took the wrong way. There is no other path, so I'm gonna walk over this that to me looks like the rest of the walls of the castle. I am not sure I'm supposed to walk over these stones, but here I am. It goes straight to the towers, and I'm sure this was the defensive wall of the castle. I didn't see on the other side how long they extend. There's also a church. Ow! It's very beautiful on the side of the river. This is the tower. From the other side, the church. And some other rests, probably of the castle, I suppose. Let's see. There are rocks all over the place. There was an entrance. This is the other tower, right over the river. I'm gonna go this way because I saw a boat. First, right below the road, there are steps that goes down. Probably the place the Roman used as a port, I guess. And these ones are the boats used to recreate the historical arrival of the Vikings here. Beautiful. There is also a little island with a cross. Also, I like these two boats. They look like very old boats. I don't know if I can get down there. I guess I shouldn't go here, but I am going to go. Even if I don't really like it because it's moving a lot. These are very old boats made of wood. Oh, it's moving a lot. I have faces on the point. Ah, it's moving too much for my taste. Nice. Probably this was the path I should have done before.
Ah, porque esto va al aparcamiento.
So, the castle is dated before the Romans, but has been used by the Romans mainly, and it was a very important point for all the region of Galicia, because by this river, which is the main of Galicia, you could get in the inland, so they have had several attacks from the Vikings, probably other attacks also. These walls and these towers has been very important for the defensive system of the Romanic Empire in Galicia. I'm gonna go back to the bike and go on the northern side of the Galician coast, west coast. In the north there are more smaller roads. There are many rural paths that goes over the coastline. And someone told me the area of the coast on the side of A Coruña is called the Dead Coast. There are mainly sheer cliffs. We will see about it later on. My beautiful bike. So I was checking the map. I'm gonna take exactly that bridge that was bothering me before the main road, but I'm gonna go 40 kilometers straight to the point. I'm gonna go directly to the point where also there is a beautiful view on the ocean, which is better. At least take the keys. I leave everything on the bike, but at least taking the keys would be nice. So I do not have a drone yet, but what do I do? My very first stop of the area is the Mirador de Sarà. Check the name, I don't never remember the name. Horrible. That I'm gonna take a look on the view from the top. Checked on the name. This is the Mirador de Pedra d'Ara. First of all, the lookout place itself is spectacular with these rocks. The farthest point is Punta Dinamitas. Yeah, I'm going somewhere where I will be going next. Parque Natural das Dunas de Corrubedo is the north view. My plan now is to go down, get to the stream point, and then also to the dune park on the north side of the point. I hope I have time to visit all this part of the coast as I want and I like, and eventually find a place where to pitch my tent, because in the next 2 days it's supposed to be sunny, and so I'm gonna be camping again, and I'd like to sleep near the beach. Can't wait actually. Let's get down. Little bit of trash here. Why not? Why not to leave a little bit of trash? Where I've just passed by, it was supposed to be a Phoenician port. That's the reason I came all the way into Guigno. But it looks like really modern, you know. But anyway, came as far as I could with the motorbike, and here there is. On this side, I don't know what this was. Here, the start of hiking path. Anyway, the place is beautiful. Could even do it with the motorbike, I was thinking. It goes all along the coast. I had the chance to talk with the guy that knows the place, Pocore Murales, and he told me it's not really a good idea to do so because someone could call the police. It's a pity for the factory in this place. I don't know which kind of factories, but still it is fantastic, and I'm gonna take a little walk and explore it. It seems some kind of desert somewhere, this corner, but it's right beside the ocean actually. Here it looks the ocean pretty rough and strong. Yes. Wow. Another amazing landscape. I don't believe it. There is some kind of a path and I'm following. I don't really know where it goes. I was hoping I can circle back behind the rocks. Maybe yes, maybe not. This is like a buffet. If I can go back. Ah, what a spectacular beach is this one. There is another factory over there. Let's check out what kind of factories they are, and if it's necessary they stay here on the coast and ruin this spectacular landscape. I don't understand really. There is a very good smell. Ah, yes. Helicriso is a plant. It grows in the mountain, but also in the seaside. And you can make oils. This is the flower, and they have this smell. I love it. Factory on the side of the parking produce frozen fish food. That's also the reason there are so many seagulls flying around over there. So this was the point. Let's head to the Dune Park, right behind the beach, in front of the ocean. ¡Ah! Tienes que pasar. Take a look, just a look into the Dune Park. I don't have a lot of space in my memory card. Here it says it's forbidden, yet see footsteps all the way up. It doesn't make any sense. You can't get on the dune and see the seaside, really. Here is absurd. You don't make a path that goes up to the top of the dune. You take a walk and then you cannot see the view on the seaside. Easy to mark the path on the sand with wood poles and rope. I have seen in other places. But people would go along a path, would be walking in the same place without making any damage. Like a desert to the sea. The sun is going down, so my next step is to reach the place where I want to sleep. Find the place where I want to sleep. Perdone, le quería hacer una pregunta. ¿Hay alguna fuente de agua?
Mira, fuente
Para rellenar las
que
botellas.
puedes ir con la moto.
Sí.
Pues mira, o coges esta pista y vas.
Está donde a las Queruga debe esa.
Sí, en Queiruga, así como vas, de frente ya encuentras una, pero no sé si echará. Bota abajo a fuente de Queiruga, está más seguro y es Arnoso.
No sé, fijo, pero en Queiruga no sé si botaba.
Otro día no botaba, es que el otro día estaba seco. Mira.
Ah, según que.
Sí, a ver si te sé explicar.
Hay una fuente que está cerca de la playa, que creo que la he visto en Google Maps.
Esa, sí. Pues mira, sí, entonces también vas por aquí.
Ah, por
Vete
aquí también.
Y vas todo por la izquierda hasta que hay un cruce.
Sí.
Un cruce grande. Y el cruce, coges así la izquierda y así metido en una pared, ya hay una fuente.
He visto la foto que es bajita.
Sí, sí, bajita. 3 vías, así como entras. Vas todo derecho y al llegar abajo que hay un cruce grande y un árbol. Entonces coges así a la izquierda, te vas con la moto hasta
Sí. Bien, entonces va por ahí.
Ahí hay una, pero a veces no echa agua.
Sí.
A lo mejor llegas.
No, va bien esa.
Sí, eso no se mineral.
Espero que pase él. Bueno, entonces muchas gracias. Aquí van como locos, ¿eh?
Sí.
Ya me despisto. Ahí me parece que voy en casa de alguien. Guapo el caballo. Están casi libres. Tal vez paso, Creo que paso. The big crossroads to the left. ¡Hola, caballo! ¡Ah! La fuente, me pasaba. Found the fountain. People before said it's very good. Fountain, and there is the horse. They are so beautiful. Say hello to the horse. Poor horse. It's not free. Can't go anywhere. Anyway. There are more. There are more in the distance. Couple of more. He is not very happy. Let's go because it's getting late. Se vuelve el camino de tierra. Here it doesn't look too good to go. I actually went all the way down because I couldn't turn back where I was. I almost got stuck at the bottom, Anyways, now I'm trying to get back. Look at these rocks. There was supposed to be a path connecting the fountain to the place that I have to check out if it's good for the night.
What the hell?
And it wasn't good to go. I really thought I wouldn't get back.
Recogido. Sí, sí, sí. Gracias. Ah, no, esto no, no es. Creo que esto es también.
I'm gonna show you in the morning where I will set the tent tonight. And with this almost sunset over the ocean, I'm gonna say goodbye. Give a thumb up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you wanna see more.